So let us start with the part 6, and that will see question number 8. So here it says that let the universal set that is given as, this is called the universal set. You can have a look at the question on the left side. That is the set of all quadrilaterals. A is the set of all parallelograms. B is equal to set of all rectangles. And C is equal to set of all rhombuses. You have to represent this by means of a Venn diagram. And also, what will be the type of the quadrilateral which belongs to B intersection C. So the same thing, the sets are written here. So now for time being, just forget this about the Venn diagram. First, we have to see that the universal set means set of all quadrilaterals. Set, then A is the set of all parallelograms, and B is the set of all rectangles, and C is set of all rhombuses. So now if we take here, we want a B intersection C. So this B and C, this is the intersection of it, and this whole, this is the, because it said set of all parallelograms. So it can be this rectangles and rhombus is also included in it. So this we will put here, this outside, so that will be A, and this is the universal set. So now the B intersection C, what we can see in this one, in the B and the C set of all rectangles and set of all rhombuses, we can see the set of squares. So we can say B intersection C, that is the set of squares. In a group of 124 meritorious students, 69 got distinction in maths and 57 got distinction in science and 24 got distinction in other subjects. Represent this by a Venn diagram and find how many students got distinction only in maths, only in science, and both in maths and science. So here the total number is given, that is 124. Then distinction in maths, that is 69. Distinction in science, that is 57. Then distinction in other subjects, that is 24. So now what we will do here, we want how many students got distinction only in maths. So first thing, this is for, we'll draw this Venn diagram. This is for maths and this is for science. So we don't know the intersection of it. So now let us consider this as x. So here distinction in maths is 69. So this x is included in this one. So we have to write is 69 minus x. And distinction in science, that is 57. So again, this x is included in this one. So we can consider this as 57 minus x. And distinction in other subjects, that is 24. So that 24 should be written over here. So now we will see, let intersection in maths and science be x, as I told you now. So only maths is same thing, that is 69 minus x, and only science is 57 minus x. So what we'll do, we'll add all this. So this will be 69 minus x, then 57 minus x, then this x, and this 24 as well. The total is 124. So this is the main step. So this and this gets cancelled. So minus x, when you add this one, you get plus 150 is 124. So minus x will be, this will go on the other side, that will be minus 150. So this will be 124 minus 150. So minus x is minus 26. So both the sides is negative sign, so that will be positive. So x will be 26. So now we got the value of x, that is the important step. So now only maths is, we have considered that as 69 minus x. So 69 minus 26, which is 43. Only science is 57 minus x, which is 31. And both in maths and science, that is x, which is the intersection, and which is 26. So the next one, it says in a group of 84 students, 61 like cricket, 27 like both tennis and cricket, and 15 do not like both cricket and tennis. Using a Venn diagram, find the number of students who like tennis, the number of students who like only one of the games. Only one of the games it's asked. The word only, I'll tell you what to do with that one. Now here total students is given as 84. Number of students who like cricket, that is 61. Number of students who like tennis, and cricket, that is 27, and number of students who do not like cricket and tennis, that is 15. So first thing, now this is for cricket and this is for tennis. This is the Venn diagram. So now number of students who like tennis and cricket. So this is, we'll write here because that is the intersection of it, both of them. So for cricket, it's given as number of students who like cricket. So 27 is already here. So 61 minus 27, which is going to be 34. So here you should write 34. Then number of students, this is already the number of students who do not like cricket and tennis, that is 15. So now for the time being, just don't think about this one. And number of students who do not like cricket and tennis, this will be 15, will be outside. So here we will consider that students who like cricket, the tennis be T, because we don't know the number of students who like tennis. The combination is given tennis and cricket, but individual tennis we don't know. So we'll consider that as T. So students who like at least one game, that is going to be, the total number is 84. So 84 minus this, do not like both cricket, and so what you are going to do, 84 minus 15, that is going to be 69. So now we can see one thing, 61 plus T. So this, because this cricket is 61, then tennis, and your this intersection, whatever is there, that you are going to subtract, and that is going to be, this is 69. So this is the important equation. Now here 61 minus 27 plus T is 69. So T will be 69 minus 34. So T is going to be 35. So once you know now T is 35, so we can see, we can make the changes here. So we already have the, both of them is 27. So 35 minus 27, which is going to be 8. So now, hope you got this one, why this was written as 8. So because tennis is 35. So now we will come to the question here, the number of students who like tennis. So that is, we got this as number of students who like tennis as 35. And they are also, this is the number of students who like only one of the games. So number of students who like only one of the games. So one of the games is, that is, this cricket is 34, and we are going to add this one plus 8 to it, that is the, for the tennis. So this total comes to 42. So the next one, in a colony of 120 families, 72 families read the Times of India and 56 read the Hindu, and 70 families do not read either of these. Represent this by a Venn diagram and use the same to find, that is, how many read both of them, how many read only the Times of India, how many read only the Hindu. So total families is given as 120. So families who read the Times of India, that we can consider that as T, that is 72. Families who read the Hindu, that is, we can consider this as H, which is 56. And the families who do not read either, that is given as 7. So with the help of this one, this will write here Hindu, and this here Times of India, this one just times. So we don't know the intersection of it, that is who read both of them. So this will consider as X. So number of this who read this is 56. So this will be 57, 56 minus X. And this is given as 72 who reads Times of India. So this will be 72 minus X. And who do not read either. So this 7 will be here outside of this one. So now we will see families who read at least one. So total number of the families is given as 120. So at least one means you are going to subtract this one who need neither of this. So that is going to be 113. So we can consider that families who read both be X. So this is what is written here, both be X. So here what will you do? Here will be T plus H. This both we are going to combine, and you are going to subtract this minus X, and that is who read at least one. So which is here 113. So here will be 72 plus 56 minus X is 113. So 128 minus X is 113. So 128, if you bring this on this side, that will be minus 113. And this will be positive, which will be X. So this will be, X will be 15. So we can now see how many read only the families who read both are, this is given, this is XS. It's given how many read both of them. So families who read both of them are This is 15. And families who read the Times of India, which is the B given here, how many read only the Times of India? That is, we have considered the Times of India 72 minus X, which will be 72 minus 15, which is 57. And again, families who read only the Hindu, that is 56 minus X, so 56 minus 15, which will be 41. In a sports club, 3 by 5 of the members like swimming, 5 by 9 badminton, 34 like both of them, and 13 do not like both of them. Using Venn diagram, find the number who like only swimming, the number who like only badminton, and the total number of members of the club. So members who like swimming, that is 3 by 5. Members who like badminton, that is given as 5 by 9. And members who like both, that is given as 34. And this members who like neither, that is 13. This all things are given. On the based on this one, we will see here the swimming and the badminton. So this is given who like both. Both means this is the intersection of it, that is 34. And here we are going to consider let total numbers be X. So you can also add here let total number of members be X. So swimming means it's given 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 we can write X, and this one you are going to subtract this minus 34 because this is the whole circle what you are going to consider. So you are going to subtract this minus 34, and who likes badminton is 5 by 9. So 5 by 9 X minus this one. Again, this is the whole circle for this one. 34 is for this as well. So you are going to subtract this one. And who do not like both of them, so 13 should be written over here. So same thing is here. Let total number of students be, no, sorry, the members be X. So here 3 by 5X plus 5 by 9X, and this is, you're going to subtract this minus 34 to it, and this plus 13, and which is the total number, that is X. So now what we can do here, to simplify this one, both of them are X, so we can write here 3 by 5 plus 5 by 9 X, and this will be minus 21, and that is X. So you will solve this one. You can see the denominator is different, so you'll take the LCM of it. So this should be multiplied by 9 and this should be multiplied by 5. So here 27 plus 25 by 45, X minus 21 is X. So this is going to be 52 divided by 45. This X minus 21 is X. So 52X minus 45. This will come on this side, that will be minus X, and this will go on the other side, that is going to be plus 21. So now again what you can see, this both are X. So you can see the denominator, this will be 1. So you are going to multiply by 45. So now you get 52X minus 45X divided by 45 is 21. So this is going to be 7X divided by 45 is 21. So 7X is going to be, this will go on the other side. So that will get multiplied. So X is going to be 21 into 45. And this is multiplication, so it will get divided. So this is going to be 135. So now we'll see, we got this, the value of X as 135. They have asked the number who like only swimming. Who like only swimming is just, we have seen in this Venn diagram, that is 3 by 5X minus 34. So we are just going to plug in the value of X over here. Rest all is going to be the same. So now this we are going to simplify. So this will be 27. So 27 3 is 81 minus 34, which will be 47. And the number who like only badminton. So badminton is, only badminton is, that is 5 by 9 X minus 34. So this is going to be 5 by 9 into, in place of this X, 135. So this will be separate, minus 34. So after simplifying this, we get this as 75 minus 34, which is going to be 41. And the total number of members of the club, so that is already we got at this one start, that is X. Total number is X, which is already 135. In a school with 400 students, some opt for science, 250 students opt for economics, and 160 opt for both science and economics. And how many students have enrolled for science only? How many have enrolled for economics only? So total number of students is given as 400. That we can say number of students for science, that is that is given, some opt for science. We don't know the number, so what we can do, we can say x minus 50 because 160 of for both science and this one. So this is going to be x minus 160. So hope this part is clear to you. And number of students for economics is given 250 students of for economics. But from there, if we are taking here 250 minus this 160, because the 160 are for both science and this one. So you're going to subtract from this one 250 minus 160. So this is going to be 90. And number of students for both. So what we can see here, that is already given this one for both, that is 160. So now we'll see how many students are enrolled for science. So here what we are going to do, here we can write here x minus 60 plus here this is 90 and this 160. So this is total is given as 400. So this total will be 400. So what we can do here, minus 160 plus 160 gets cancelled out. So this is going to be x plus 90 will be 400. So x will be 400 minus 90. So x is going to be 300. So they said how many students have enrolled for science only. So now you can see, therefore students enrolled for science only, we have considered this as x minus 160. So this x, we already got this as 300, and 10 minus 160, that is going to be 150. And how many are enrolled for economics only? So students enrolled for economics only, that is already given here. We did it here, 250 minus 160. So that is going to be 90. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.